beautiful people. How are you all doing? Spring is in the air, as you might hear behind me. That's Tommy. He was quiet until I started filming and then he started to sing. So, I've got a diamond painting unboxing for you. A diamond painting which I was just dying for. I was so excited when I got it and I was anxiously awaiting the arriving, and it arrived today. So while it's by Dreamer Designs, you can see this by the logo. So while I'm struggling to open up this package, I will give you some more information about the painting, some history. So I ordered a painting called The Fruit Vendor, which is a painting by John William Godward, and it's a public domain painting painted in 1917. And the painting has got something very mysterious. So you can see a girl, which is one of his favorite models. She was her nickname was Dolcissima, and she's sitting next to, well, she leans against a marble balustrade, and on top of that is the giant sculpture of a lion. Now that lion is actually a depiction of an Egyptian sculpture from the time of Pharaoh Nectanebo. And so that's 360 to 343 before Christ. And it was actually the last pharaoh that existed. And Godward did use that same lion in another diamond painting, in another painting called The Woods of the Temple of Isis. And you can see this model like, it's like she's contemplating on life or anything, and she's leaning, and she's not looking at us, she's like staring down, and it's very mysterious. And also the landscape behind her, it's actually a landscape that doesn't really exist, it's an unknown landscape. But I thought this one is just beautiful, beautiful, and also it gives me some creepy vibes because I think I might suffer from megalophobia. I don't know if you know what that is. Megalophobia, that's a condition where you're afraid of big statues, big buildings, big planes, anything that's very large or, yeah, huge. I don't have it so much with planes, although I never really saw a plane in close, because I'm afraid of flying as well. Yeah, but I am afraid of big statues. Like, they give me the creeps, and although this painting is so beautiful, it also has got something chilling about it. So that's that's why this painting speaks to me so much. But I'm really curious about the rendering of this one, because they contacted me and they said that I had to go bigger if I wanted if I wanted it cropped the correct way, and so that the full image could fit the canvas. And so for an additional $10 I got a bigger canvas. I know, big. Oh, why? So anyway, it's a huge one. I think the correct size will now be 80 by 100. Yep. But I'm so excited to see how they did the rendering, because it's just a beautiful painting. Is the box empty? So Dreamer Designs, I'm working on the Mermaid right now by Waterhouse, and I must say I'm really happy with the quality and the way it's rendered. So I guess for my other customs I will return to Dreamer Designs. You get your diamond painting in this bag, which is a cotton bag, so that's a neat detail. You get your canvas with a purple ribbon. I've got a few of them already. You get a toolkit in a very soft bag, very beautifully. So they do have good quality kits. I guess they must be one of my favorite companies, next to Diamond Art Club, of course, and DIY Moon Shop because of the rendering, but lately I haven't shopped with them. So you get 2 boats with the Dreamer Designs logo. You get 2 tins with pink wax, 2 squishies, a diamond painting pen, and this one is a pen to place down your AB, so your special drills. It's much easier to place them with this one than with this one, but of course you can also use it for anything you want. You get a, I guess, 5 or 6 placer, I don't know, I never know, and a 2 placer, but those I don't use because they are too thick for me. And then you get a pair of 3 tweezers with the Dreamer Designs logo, which are very sharp, so take good care. Put the sleeve back on, don't hurt yourself or anyone else. You get an amount of baggies. Oh, and now. So I will take out the drills and I'm gonna put them aside. Oh, and this is one of my favorite parts of unboxing. Oh, the other one. Oh, that's so satisfying. I say this all the time, but that's so much fun. So, normally there's a noodle inside, so that makes it much easier. I keep them for working on them as well, because that gives me something, a way I can roll them, because they won't fit my table when they're this large. So you get a booklet with the social media information, and you get your walking legend, which is in fact stickers, but you have to fiddle with it a little bit, because this back is really, it's difficult to get it, but once you get it, it's a thin plastic foil, and then you got stickers. So it has got 46 colors. I'm really nervous now. Okay. Oh my goodness. There we go. Wow. Oh. Don't know about the face. Don't know about the face. I'm gonna be honest. But the lion, look how the lion looks. That looks so great. And here is her table with the fruits. And the landscape. Oh, wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna roll it backwards, but because it keeps curling up, and I didn't want to roll it backwards before because I was scared to see it already. So, and you can do this because it's poured glue. There, that's much better. Oh wow, the lion is actually awesome. Awesome. And it's not like not out too much out of proportion, because that was something I wasn't really sure of, how big the figure would be. But I'm not so sure about the face. I don't know if the color of the face is gonna be, looks a bit red, but okay, that can deceive, because so it can be deceiving because I'm gonna check. I'm gonna take out the colors and we're gonna check together, and if not, I will have to change the colors and make it more skin tone like here. Let's see. Sorry, I'm looking for the sign. 3722. That is 3722. 21. That's color number 35. Color number 35. Where are you? Oh my god, the smell of this. Oof. It has got a very plastic, very clear plastic smell. 35 isn't in there, so it must be in here. Yeah, the face, I'm a bit disappointed. If those are really dark colors, I will have to change them up, but I'm not gonna talk too soon. 35, 30, yeah, look, like, this is a color for a face. And if you see the actual painting, then you will know. Not really happy about that. So this will be changed, and I will put down number K is, which color is that? K, come on, where are you? 722, number 08. That's here. 8, where's color 8? 6, 7, 8. Still a bit too orangey. I find it a bit orangey, can't lie. Colors are not really to my liking. Of course, because of the fact that the statue is so pale, they went ahead and made the face much darker, but I'm not gonna keep that. Maybe the K okay, but the rest, no, it's too dark. Yeah, that's a bit disappointing. So I will have to see what I do here. So I will give some color on the lips and the eyes, of course, and then the rest I'm gonna fill in with paler colors, because this is not gonna work for me. Oh, yeah, that's disappointing. That's really disappointing. Maybe I will take a picture of it and send them and ask them if they just can make her face a bit paler. They should, because this is not okay. This is not okay. I will contact customer service and just have them take a look at it and maybe ask them to re-render the face, because nah, this is, look, because if you see, I know why they would do this, actually. Like, oh, come on. Like, she's really gazing down, and her face does seem more reddish. But red is still not like seems a bit weird. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts. It is square, and I'm always very, very happy with the quality of their drills, so that won't be a problem. Like, look at them. Very shiny, very beautiful drills, not too much trash. I don't see any trash. I see a wanderer. Let's take another color of the face, like number 1. Number 1. 1111. Number 1, where are you? Okay, 3. Oof, the smell. Like, that's another color for the face. I don't know. I don't know. No, 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 no. Tell me what you would do if you would... Oh, but I did get an AB. Look at that amount. So, is that the only AB? Yeah, I got 1 AB, and the AB is number 4. So it's a white AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which means that there's this beautiful iridescent coating on the drills that make them shine just a little more. Look at that. Beautiful. So, it's number 4. Oh my god. It's in the sky. The AB goes in the sky. This is almost all AB in the sky. And I feel like I'm being very, very, very difficult right now. But I should. I pay good money for those things though, so yeah, no. No, 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 no. Not such a good experience. So this would be all a B. Oh, there they go. Like the landscape, that's okay. And the fruit, the table here, that's all beautifully rendered. Her dress is very beautifully rendered. But then you've got the face. Why? You could say like, yeah, it's a shadow, but no, no, no. You can't convince me otherwise. So I will be taking pictures of this and sending this to the Dreamer Designs, because actually I never had yeah, there's a mustache. Ooh, it's glued to the stairs. Anyways, I never had the experience. I never contacted their customer service before after receiving a painting, so this will be the first. And of course I will let you know what they decide and if they are going to redo the... Because of course they can tell me like, yeah, the picture that you sent us was too dark. But honestly, this is based on the picture that I sent them. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know. This is actually a very good picture of her. So yeah, okay. Not so excited as usual. But it is trial and error. And their drill field is always clear. You see? That's really a clear drill field for you. And maybe if I do it afterwards. Wait, no. First I will contact their customer service and I will see what they say. So, okay. I'm gonna leave you with the lion's head. I love that lion so much. What? Why am I in close-up? Okay, thank you. So, beautiful lion. You are so beautiful. You make me less scared of statues. You're smiling. Boop, boop. So, if this was your first time stumbling across my channel, or you're someone who came back but haven't subscribed yet, this is your moment. Please hit the subscribe button. That's down there, the red button that says subscribe, and you can hit the bell to get a notification anytime I put up another video. Meanwhile, please give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful, magical, glorious day. Bye.